Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting only what you need: 3x5 or 4x6 index cards, a pen, and a timer. Pick 1-2 subjects to focus on today and color code cards so you see priority at a glance. Then write one clear question per card on the front and the concise answer on the back. This forces recall rather than recognition. Once done, shuffle mixed topics to simulate real recall. Make sure to keep items atomic, so each card tests exactly one fact or concept. You now move into repeated practice. Set a 25-30-minute session and work through cards using active recall, answering aloud before flipping the card. Use spaced repetition by separating cards into piles for 1 day, 3 days, and 7 days reviews. Promote cards you know, demote those you miss. Once done, add context. Draw tiny diagrams or write a one-sentence example on the back to deepen connections. Make sure to interleave topics to strengthen long-term retrieval. You finish by consolidating what you learned and fixing trouble spots. Separate any multi-step concept into multiple cards so each step is testable. Then track progress by marking mastery % or using simple marks for days reviewed and errors. This shows what needs more practice. If a card consistently fails, teach the concept aloud to an imaginary student or invent a mnemonic hook to link ideas. Finally, rotate mastered cards into longer review intervals and keep daily short sessions to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.